like Santa. So let's make the octopus. Brown one. Okay. Don't subscribe to them. Stop doing that. Stop. Well, maybe it'll stop on lots of videos.
You know what? If 2 people subscribe to Weston's channel today, I will turn off my sound.
For the rest of the videos,
Yeah.
me and Payne. Black water planet. Look, the planet. Earth. And the planet. Nope. Well, the planet. It might be the moon, but if it was the moon, like, this whole house would be crushed into pieces. Like a twister, like an F4.
Viewers, so Weston is taking my place in, like, these activities that Weston did.
Okay, now I just unplugged it because I don't want just the phone. Okay, now the big opening. Can I jump?
Battery's only at 15%.
Let's see. Yes, I made it. Now let's try and get to the pillow stacks. I would have said. And let's go. Oh, made it right here. Oh, this is hard. And I had to do a 3 laps. Now I'm right at the canyon. I go here. And now let's see if I can do it again. Whoa, whoa. Done it. Now, let's do this. Oh. I've done it. Yes. So,
And you think it's nice stop motion?
yep, it's for Minecraft.
I think Minecraft stop motion music.
It's an earthquake. Stopped. So,
That was by stop motion for a second. Is that okay with you?
Okay. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's see if I can jump. Got here. Let's see if I can jump double twice. Jump, jump.
Double twice. Daddy?
Yeah, I can jump on that blue thing and then jump here. Whoever likes that music, subscribe, leave a like. So
To my channel.
yep, and then he can do the giveaway, and then he can do that music every time we do videos. So
If you can hear the music, thank you. I like all my videos and like all of Weston's.
yep,
If you want me to do more stop motion.
there's Quack's back. So, and you see pen over there. Can you see him now?
I smell pennies.
Wow. Well, there's a penny seriously under that, but yeah, I just saw a penny.
Okay, now I'm stuck. Help.
Okay.
I just don't help me.
Okay. He just cracked him.
Broke it.
No, Pain cracked his leg.
You broke it.
Pain cracked his leg. So
Hey, come look at how much.
subscribe, leave a like, comment down below.
Are you seriously leaving the video?
Yep.
No. Make the video long. First, show how much percent my video's at.
This one.
No, mine.
Oh no.
This is at 15%.
It is 50 seconds.
So mine is at 50%. My new video that I'm making right now is called Geometry Dash. Go check out the game.
Comment down below and let's get out of the video. Bye guys.